Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today I am going to share with you difference between F&O and shares. So if you are confused between two, please watch this reel till the end. First difference in shares, you will have to invest full amount, but in F&O you can pay partial amount, which is called as a premium, and you can book a lot. Second difference, for shares risk is more because you have already paid entire amount. In F&O, yes, risk is there also, but you can regulate your risk to a certain extent. In shares, you can earn money only when there is an upward movement in stock, but in F&O you can earn money both ways. Means whenever there is an upward movement as well as downward movement, you can earn money both sides. Then shares can be taken as a delivery, so you get it in Demat account. F&O, there is a settlement at the end of the every month. So these are the major difference between shares and F&O. I hope you like the reel. Please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.